Ay! Ano gawin, kuya? Hug! Hug! Ay, kiss, kiss! Ay, kiss me, kiss me, brother! Kiss! Slowly, anak! Slowly, say I love you, baby Jess.
I love you, baby Jess.
Ah, love, kuya Julio. Mm. Wow, thank you, kuya, for loving baby Jess. Hug again, kuya, hug. Hug again, kuya. Hug again, baby Jess.
Thank you.
Oh, baby Jess. I love you. Say, I love you, baby
I
Jess.
love you, baby Jess.
Wow, thank you. I love you too, kuya Julio. Ay, wow. Oh, cheese. Oh, baby Jess. Wow, do you love baby Jess?
Booger.
Ay, booger. Don't eat your booger. It's dirty. Oh my God. Otot, baby Jess. Fart, baby Jess. Fart. Do you hear it? Kuya. Baby Rigel, kiss baby Jess. How about baby Rigel?
Airplane.
Oh, airplane. Paper airplane. Mommy do, make an paper airplane?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you kiss first, baby Jess, and then hug. Say, I love you.
I love you, baby Jess.
Wow, thank you, Kuya Julio.
Airplane.
Oh, paper airplane. Okay. Ay, shush. Ang kiting-kiting. Ang karakating-kiting. Ang karikiting-kiting. Ang karikiting-kiting. Ang karikiting-kiting. Look at baby Jess, anak. So serious. Look at baby Jess. Julio. Look at baby Jess. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, hi. Hello, guys. Hi. 3 months old na ang aming baby Jess. Big boy na yan. Big boy na yan. Big boy na. Ay, sus.